focus to the commodity space. Manisha joins in, and today you're focusing on crude, right?
Well, yes, thank you for that, Vivek. It's not just precious metals, as you mentioned. The base metal prices are doing quite well, and the crude oil prices is what I'm focusing on. And we are trading at a 2-week highs right now. It has been a strong gain, not just that the NYMEX is back above 60, but it's trading around 64. And the WTI, the NYMEX, the Brent prices also have seen a sharp gain. So for this week, we are up by 4.5% in case of the crude oil prices. And there are three major reasons for this support to be coming in for the crude prices there. One is that the US and Iran conversations, remember, it started last week, reconvened in this week, and we do understand from various reports that US is looking to tighten sanctions on Iran oil trade, and that has led to that premium coming in for prices. The second is that many of these OPEC producers now, by the way, OPEC and allies will increase production from the month of May, but this also is about conversation of keeping within that quota, and many of the OPEC members have now pledged to ensure that they do not overproduce and keep up to their quota. That has gone well with the crude bulls as well. The third thing really is about the drawdown in sense of distillate and gasoline inventories from US. That has also led to some buying. And even as the markets are looking at weak demand growth going forward, and that's the kind of report that the crude prices reacted to coming in from OPEC and IEA, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. Everybody's talked about more supplies, weaker demand, and weaker demand growth for this year, and that weighed onto the markets. But with the kind of economic data that we have seen, especially coming from China, the China import of crude oil for the month of March also was higher by 5%. All of that reaction can be seen in case of prices on your screens.
Thank you very much for that. We will slip into a break on that note. On the other side, we'll talk market technicals. Apurva Sheth from Samco Securities joins in next.